Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's your boy Kiera from I Did You Affiliate. And today we're gonna continue on our Clickbank series. Uh, our case study using myleadgensecrets, 3 different accounts. All right, so as you can see, we got a sale yesterday for $38 here. Let's look at the reporting here. Let's see, it's from Social Paid. Once again, Social Paid came through. Got a sale on that. And let's look at tracking ID here. Which account did it? It was my first account. Well, it's my third account once again. Now, my third account has been popping off. Hold up. I think. I'm pretty sure that's like $90, 90 some dollars off of myleadgensecrets. And understand something, guys. Yeah, as you know, as you've been watching these videos, I have just not been consistent at all with my strategy on myleadgensecrets. I've just been trying different products randomly. I haven't stuck to one for a really long time or anything like that. And that's the best way to get sales, guys, when you stick to one product for a long time. I've just been trying products just to see if I get a sale off of it. And don't mind all this other stuff here. There's a bunch of different stuff. I actually don't know what they are. anyway, guys. Yeah, product got a sale, man. It feels good. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna log in our myleadgensecrets account here. Gonna send out our next email. So right now we're sending emails to write out reviews. We're gonna stick with it for at least a couple of days. I can't tell you if I might change my mind or something. I don't know. But if you wanna make money online with these stuff, focus on one product, or at least run through all the emails they have. So anyway, bite to bite. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go to the second email here. Your initial job payment. That sounds kind of So I went on, got a new title here. We're gonna go with this. A little bit fresher. There's a guy named Mike Eisner who's made a lot of money on my write out reviews, so I want to give it a shot and see. He said he made more money with write outs reviews than social paid. I just want to give it a shot here and see how well we do with the leads we have up here. Now eventually you're gonna want to promote other things with this stuff that can make you get high ticket sales, like legendary marketer. That was something I was promoting earlier. I stopped promoting it. I ain't really stopped promoting it, but it's more of a case of I'm not really focused on promoting it right now because I'm trying a lot of stuff out just to see what's best. I want to see what kind of retention rate some of these sales are, so I can recommend them or not, so to speak. Like, you might get a ton of sales, but everybody gets a refund, so not worth. So that's what I'm looking at for a legendary marketer for right now. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna put our name right there. Best wish. Very quick here. Blah 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 blah. Hey, name. Okay, so we just put the name here. First name fits here. Copy. Boom. All right. So you got to get the link here. Write out reviews. Email just one. We'll see how this goes. And see if we can get sales. I usually get sales on Social Paid. I'm a little hesitant with this, but I want to see what happens. I'm not entirely sure I'll get a sale on it, but I want to see what happens. Okay, so here, boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, bold that. That looks pretty good. I'm just kind of scanning through it to see if it makes sense. Yeah, it looks pretty simple. So we're gonna go with that. And let's send the email. Boom. All right. So if you got multiple accounts, what you want to do, come over here, make another tab, log out in this account. On this tab, you log into your next account here. Boom, boom. Emailing system. These there. Let's title. Boom. Boom. Right space. Right. Change this to MLGS2. Right. Boom. Forgot to preview it. Make sure you preview it. Make sure the link works, because it'll be an issue. It's fine. It's fine. All right. Usually when I get it from Clickbank, the link works pretty fine. I usually really check it when I'm promoting the different offers that's not on Clickbank. Usually Clickbank links, they work immediately. There's no real issue. All right, so yeah, that works there. That's good. Send the email. Boom. All right. So we're gonna continue doing this here. We log out, right? Once again, boom, boom. Go to right, yeah. Go to your next account, click on it, boom, 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 boom. It's pretty simple, you know. Copy, paste, select all, copy, paste. Do that. Change the link so you know which account gets the sale. MLGS3 is doing really well right now. That's probably my best account right now for some reason. I don't know. It got the least amount of leads, but it's the one getting the sales. All right, so that's why you want multiple accounts, because some accounts are just dead. Like some accounts are just dead. Like my second account ain't really nothing happened with it, but my first and third account get sales. My second account does get sales. Don't get me wrong, it gets sales, but it rarely happens. You know what I mean? Compared to the my first and third account. Anyway, let's keep it moving. So that's why you want multiple accounts. And the more accounts, I'll say this, they are worth it. If you can afford like 10 accounts, get it. It's worth it. You're gonna make your money back. You're gonna make your money back. Now it might take a while to make your money back, but you're gonna make your money back, right? Even just doing Clickbank. Now imagine if you were promoting a high ticket affiliate product, like say Legendary Marketer or My Lead Gen Secrets. Not My Lead Gen Secrets. Multiple income funnel or whatever it's called. Yeah. You'll make your money back, man. So go ahead and get as many of these accounts as you can get. I think a good amount is 5, because the affiliate system is a 5-step system in which you would make money off of your account up to the 5th one. You know, in that row like that. So that's very interesting. So 5 is good. If you want to just stick to, like, you want to stick to a number of them, stick to 5. 5 is good. But go and get 7, go and get 10, go and get 15 of them. Like, if you can afford it, get them. Especially if you got a product that has a very high ticket, get them. All right, so we done. We sent it the email. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to let you know when these videos are out, because YouTube requires more steps. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.